Hello boys and girls, how are you? This is our last lesson for today. Wednesday is our science lesson, and it's titled Fly to the Sky. So here we can see that the Y in fly and sky, that you can hear I, full I, sk, I. It's is that the spelling pattern that we're learning this week, that the Y at the end of the word says I, right? Sounds like the long I sound. Well, we're going to learn today, boys and girls, about two brothers that were the first to make an airplane that was able to fly. And they were the Wright brothers, Wilbur and Orville. Here they are. You have a picture of them right there on your book. And once again, our story is titled The First Flight. This is science, by the way. So it's a little story inside a science page. Wilbur and Orville Wright were brothers and inventors. They flew the first airplane. First, they made designs of their plane. Next, they built it. So by design, they mean they drew what they thought was gonna work, and well, they gathered the pieces that they had to put together to make it work. Then they tested. When you test something, you take it for a flight. In this case, an airplane, you take it for a fly. After a few tries, their plane flew. The flight lasted only 12 seconds. They actually had to try a bunch of times, boys and girls, but they made it work and it was able to fly. And here you can see one of the Wright brothers riding on the airplane. This is one of the Wright brothers' planes. That's what it says right there. And then over here, boys and girls, we have a plane that you might be able to see flying in the sky nowadays. It says today's planes can fly much longer and have more parts. But this was the beginning. This was then, and this is now. Alright, so I want you to go ahead and turn the page with me, because we have something to do here. This is plane parts. Each part of a plane has a job to do. The wings helped lift it. So these are the wings, right? The wings are right over here. It goes up. The wings made the airplane go up. The tail keeps it flying straight. This is the tail. The tail keeps the airplane flying straight. And finally, the propeller moves the plane forward. This is the propeller. It's the thing that you can see going in circles in front of the airplane. Alright, and here you can see, boys and girls, you can see a diagram of the airplane, of kind of the same airplane that you see here, but now with the words. So this is the tail. This is the propeller. Looks like a fan, right? And these are the wings. The airplane has two wings. Alright, we're gonna use the pictures of the plane to answer the questions. We have question number 1. Which part keeps the plane flying straight? Circle it. Boys and girls, remember which one is the part that keeps the plane flying straight? So this is our keyword, flying straight. What part keeps the plane flying straight? And we can find the answer over here. It says each part of a plane has a job to do. The wings help lift it. The tail keeps it flying straight. So what part of the airplane keeps it flying straight? The tail. This sentence is the one that is telling you. The tail keeps it flying straight. So we're gonna come over here and we are going to circle the tail of the airplane. This is the tail of the airplane. We're gonna circle it because it's the part of the airplane that helps it flying straight. We have one more question. We have question number 2. What would happen if the wings on the plane were missing? What happens if the wings of the planes, what happens if the airplane has no wings? Or if the airplane loses its wings? We have to explain over here. But before we do that, how about if we look for the function of the wings? What is it that the wings do? Let's look over here. Once again, Each part of a plane has a job to do. The wings helped lift it. So this is the job, the function of the wings. The wings help lift it. So if the airplane has no wings, what do you think is going to happen to the plane? It's not going to be able to go up, right? It's not going to be able to fly. So here we go. Once again, what will happen if the wings on the plane were missing? Explain. We are going to say that the plane will not be able to go up. The plane will not. Yes. Uh-oh. I'll go and get them now, okay? Alright, boys and girls, so the plane will not go up. The plane will not go up. And why is this? It's because the wings help lift it. Without wings, the plane won't be able to go up. The plane will not go up because the wings lift it. Alright, and that's it. We put a period at the end, and we're done with this page, boys and girls. And it was a short, but it was a nice science lesson because we got to learn a little bit about airplanes and also about the functions and the jobs of the different parts of the airplane. So once again, I'm going to leave these on the screen so you can copy your answer. I'm leaving it on the screen so you can copy your answer. Once you're done, you can unpause the video. And, well, you're done for today. Do not forget to do your iReady, your iExcel. Don't forget this week, I probably forgot to mention it before, but this week for iExcel, we're doing P.5 and P.6. So don't forget that iExcel, this is for math. Even though this is science, I'm going to show you right here. iExcel for math is going to be P.5 and P.6. So this is going to be for math. We're learning about capacity in math, and that's those are the two iExcels that we're going to do this week. All right, boys and girls, hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.